Today we're going to be reviewing a photoelectric smoke alarm. Here's what comes in the box. We got the manual, 2 different languages, and we have 9-volt battery that this uses as a backup, the connections for hardwire connecting, and the smoke alarm. It's a base, put on the ceiling and connect it, and here is the photoelectric alarm, smoke alarm. How it looks, very well made. Has a test button here in the middle. Let me install the 9-volt so we can see how it goes. So to install the 9-volt, it's a little space here that you pull open. Tells you plus, minus, or positive or negative, and then you just install it there. Close it. Lights. There's lights there. That's how it sounds. Sounds super loud. It does gradually gets louder. So the first beep is loud, then you get it louder and louder. So that's how it works. This smoke alarm detects smoke faster than a regular alarm. It takes about a second to detect alarm. It's 5 times more accurate than a regular alarm. It has a 10-year warranty. It tells you here when to replace it. This one says June 2035, so that is 10 years. So you are secure for 10 years. So you know for 10 years you'll be good to go with this alarm. The price is amazing. To connect the hardwire, you just plug it here and you're ready to go. All you have to do is connect this to your ceiling, and then you're all set. Just put this on the top on your ceiling, goes in, and then you just lock it. Then you just lock it, and that's how it looks. And once the alarm goes off, there's a red light that will keep going once the sound ends. So when the battery is low, it will just light up red around, so there's no beeping. It's just letting you know that your battery is low, so change it. So I definitely recommend it. For the price is great. You can buy more, and then once you put them all together, once one go off, the whole house goes off. So that's a great thing to have. This will just not go off in just one room. It will go off in the whole house. So I definitely recommend it. So go get you one. I hope this video helped you, and thank you.